know why? That this one 100 naira it is.
So the thing how they taste. It has nice taste. The thing get nice taste. I will collect it and go. Let me buy it and taste it and see. Okay, now the seed with this.
You go. Just do like that.
So it's okay to eat now.
Now you go lick. Go throw away the seed.
Throw the seed. I will say the seed I go lick now.
You don't understand it.
You see
this one there now. You go break them. Break them. That inside where you go lick them. Lick them. You go throw away.
Ma collect 200 naira and go and go. Let me have 200 naira.
Okay.
I'll go and taste it. Say na monkey Brokus.
We call a monkey Brokus.
I'm seeing it for the first time.
So why you want to lick out what you
I mean, the people they can say that food now, they can know what thing is there now.
Are they hearing the name of people Brokus?
No, they said they go. They said the seed. They get a seed inside. They open the seed. Might not go and cut your seed.
Okay.
But here, see the seeds.
Okay.
Might get them.
That a good one.
See, you go lick and throw away. Lick the seed. You know go swallow the seed.
Carry, go. Carry your load.
Okay, my load now, eh? It's my turn to now taste it. I think it's very hard to peel. This one is one that my madam peeled, so. We shouldn't throw it. I'll keep Brokus. What will taste it too? Since I can't peel it with my hands, Let's try again on this one and see. It's very hard to peel. I can use my nails and it's hurting my nails, like seriously. See. The taste is pleasing, sir. Listen.